Okay guys, so today we're at Jardins da Água, sì? Yes, in Parque das Nações Oriente, Lisboa. And today I'm shooting with the 12-32 kit lens by Lumix that my girlfriend Claudia gently gave to me to shoot this video. So we're starting right now. Okay, these are the Jardins da Água anyway. Let's see if there is anything interesting. Okay, so this is Jardins da Água. There are a lot of palms, as you can see, and the staircase. It's so strange to use an autofocus lens because I'm so used to manual focusing that nothing is just strange. This is not that interesting. This is more interesting, actually. Good. Okay, actually this Jardins da Água, this is the water garden basically in English. It's not that big, but still I thought that was a good idea to shoot something here. And we have to test this great lens by Lumix. Okay, so because one of like I shot a video entirely at silent waterfalls, like in the northern Italy in the mountains, with this lens only, and that video went quite well. So I thought, why shouldn't I shoot a street POV with this lens? And this is the result. Okay, so for now I'm liking it, like it's a kit lens, nothing more, but still it's not that bad. Like it's pretty sharp usually, because I've been using it a lot, like when I was a beginner. Not that I am anyone right now, but still. Okay, this might be interesting. We're getting a bit artsy here. Yes. This picture's name will be the S of the white horse. Totally. The white horse S. Actually, this is the Jardins da Água. So I think that we'll have a longer trip around here, so that my video can be longer than 2 minutes. Okay, this is pretty fine. As usual, we'll see in the editing, but in the editing phase. But I have good feelings about this. So we're trying to get closer to the horse. Maybe I could try to put the palm inside of the mirror. Yeah, it's full of palms, but like a prettier palm. Okay, like this is better. So I think that, as I was saying, we explored the whole Jardins da Água. So we'll try to see if there is something interesting around. Okay. Maybe here. Okay, I like this composition. Let's put something more in the frame. because we like to exaggerate. Good. Okay, actually I don't know what this building is, but it looks fine. It looks pretty Soviet in its construction, so we want to have it inside our compositions. Okay. We got also the girl riding the bicycle, another classic of street photography, but still, sometimes the classics are not that interesting. That's why we always try to do something different. Okay, this area is pretty dark, so nothing really interesting. Okay, this is the Pavilhão do Conhecimento Ciência Viva. Okay, so this building has a name actually. Something that we will try to get closer to the river, that we can include also that in the video. Maybe it's a bit more interesting. Always, guys, always remember to play with reflections on the water. It's mandatory, like when you're a photographer, you have to do it. And in this case, there's a cool result as well. Okay, there's actually nothing interesting in this picture, so okay, so we're getting close to the Oceanario here, and I think that you remember my famous pictures from the Oceanario because like my Instagram was full of those pictures, and yeah, that's it basically. So we'll try to get a funny picture of this dragon. Maybe if I can include the building inside the mouth. Yes, the composition is not bad, but still it's a bit, I don't know. I don't feel like this is the best picture that I can take in general. Okay, so I like this place a bit more, this angle. We can see also the flying balls, I don't know the name, sorry guys. This picture is not that good, we have to get closer. Was a Robert Capa, like the famous, very famous photographer who said that if your pictures suck, you have to get closer to your subjects. Like it's not the literal quote, but still. Like in general, you have to get closer to your subjects. I think that this was like the core message of Robert Capa. Okay, this might be more interesting. Okay, so basically, this is it for this area, because I took a lot of pictures at this place, and I'm trying to come up with new ideas, but it's not that easy when you already took a lot of pictures that look like each other. Yeah, but this garden looks cool actually. You can try to get something interesting. Like actually, I don't want to be that kind of person who takes pictures at the garden, like with people who are just trying to relax. But I'm gonna be that kind of person, I think, for the purpose of this video, so for cultural purposes. Okay, and the sky is not totally blown up, so we can recover something, and it's a good thing, actually. We just have to find kind of a subject. It's not easy in these kind of situations, but want to play with shadows as well, and maybe we can get something interesting getting closer to the edge of the shade, of the shadow. There's also the flare from the sun. Probably the best one will be this, and this is like the old trick of bumping up the aperture and pointing straight to the sun to get the star rays. I don't know what's the name, but still. Okay, this might be interesting. Yeah, like this picture. Finally I found some good subjects. Like, guys, you can clearly see that I'm totally running out of ideas. And yeah, because actually there are some places, I don't know if you can relate, but there are some places that are actually good, like good looking places. Like places that are gorgeous. I don't know if you get my point. Like places that are so good to see, that are actually better to be in like as a normal person and not as a photographer. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, maybe we can get something interesting for the end of the video, like the final good shots. And so yeah, I was saying that basically some places, like I prefer, this is a place that you would rather stay here and I don't know, just chill, this kind of stuff, rather than take pictures of it, because actually it's a plain garden. Yeah, basically, yes. Try to see if there is something interesting here. No, actually, not a lot of interesting things, and then the weather is not helping us because it's total afternoon and like the sun is very hard, and you already know, guys, not the best timing to go out and shoot, but still you have to take advantage of the time that you have, of course. Okay, so yeah, this is the queue to get into the scenario. I remember when I came here the first time with my girlfriend, we were like the only two in the queue. It was during the lockdown, like we were allowed to go outside, but still there were no tourists, like the beginning of this year, but it was the end of last year, but still, okay, there was some kind of lockdown, and there were no tourists, as I was saying, and yeah, basically we didn't have to do the queue, and unluckily these people had to do it. So okay, we just got back to the Jardins da Água, the starting point, and I hope that you like this street photography POV, and yeah, basically this is it. This won't be the longest POV ever, but I don't know, I just wanted to go out and try out this kit lens also to show you guys that even if you only have this kind of lenses, you can take good pictures. I mean, I hope that I took good pictures. We'll see in the editing phase, but for now I'm pretty satisfied with them. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.